That was a hard stop, but welcome to another series of plane spotting at Sydney Airport. This is actually right near IKEA Tempe, so in this spot we're going to be checking out the planes coming in and checking out the cool sound. So the coolest thing about this spot is that the planes come right overhead, so you can really see them right in front of you, flying right past you. So it's a really cool spot. So the best spot here is actually this little mound over here. So we'll walk over there and I'll show you what it looks like. Something to be aware of when at this spot is that the planes have to be coming in this way. So if the planes are taking off towards this mound, they come very high, so you don't actually see very much. Here's what that spot looks like on the hill when the planes are landing the right way. So you can actually see them come right in. So as you can see, they're much lower when they are coming in this way, which is much more fun because it's much louder. Fortunately, I didn't get any audio because, well, I don't know, my mic just didn't record for these parts of the video, which sucks because I had a proper mic, but that's alright. So you'll just have to bear with me and the footage, but soon we'll have some footage with sound just after these clips as well. It's a really good idea to check Flightradar if you have a specific plane that you're wanting to see land. Just tap on the arrivals or departures tab and then figure out if it's going to be taking off or landing in the direction you want, and yeah, check out this spot. Here's what it looks like closer to the IKEA Carpark, closer to the entrance of the IKEA, so you can kind of see a bit wider shot. plane spotting and cat spotting in the one spot. The cats are harder to find.
There used to be so many of them.
They got adopted.
Oh, that's
yeah,
good,
they
that's
didn't
good.
die or anything. There's a guy that came, I think 2 guys, that they actually had been trying to get them all adopted.
Yeah, I remember there's a lady vet.
There's a lady as well.
And then
Yeah.
vaccinations for them.
Yeah. No, it's nice that they have someone looking after them. Here is how many cats there used to be at IKEA Tempe. There used to be a lot more, but thankfully some people have come along and adopted the ones that are a little bit tamer than the other ones that are still there that like to hide away. But slowly, the cats at IKEA Tempe are getting looked after and adopted. You can see lots of people come and feed them. I come and feed them sometimes as well because it's kind of fun to, help out some cats and do some plane spotting at the same time. Feeding the cats at IKEA. Look at all the cats. Oh, they're a bit scared though, aren't they? Don't be scared. Here they are, hiding under the car. Dinner time for the cats. There's so many. Oh, I think we're already getting wake turbulence on that one. Wow. I hope you've all enjoyed checking out IKEA Tempe and the little hill over there and where I am here for plane spotting at Sydney Airport. If you want to see more videos of plane spotting, I have a whole series and it covers all of the main spots for Sydney Airport. So give it a watch if you're interested. If you want to see more videos like this, give this video a like, give it a subscribe, and give a comment. Write a comment and just ask what plane spot you want me to cover next, and I'll try my best to cover it. I've only got 2 left that I know of, so not many left to go, but I'm really enjoying filming them all. See you all in the next video that I know about for Sydney Airport. If you want to see any more plane spotting, bruh.